This is Sully coming at you, just so you know. And I got some things, you know. I've been on Facebook since it required an EDU address. And I've been online since Al Gore invented it. And that's cool. I like it. I'm shocked when something shocks me, and I look for things that shock me. And what shocks me the most lately is how much drama is on RotorRiot's Facebook page and RotorRiot, and how much drama goes on in all of the forums and the multi-rotor community. And holy cow, I mean, it's just one of those where I'm like, dang, that is a lot of drama. So I thought, hey, I'm gonna put my drama in. Actually, I'm not gonna put my drama in. I'm gonna put in my 2 cents on the drama of the multi-rotor community. And here it is, laying it out for you right now. Yeah, ain't nobody got time for that type of drama. Good Lord, man. What in the world? I just get the freak out. You know what I hate? I hate whenever YouTube videos start out with like some long-ass intro on a recipe. Let's say you're going to a forum, you want to know, how do I make yeast bread? And someone tells you their life story about the grandmother who used to bake bread in the morning on Sundays whenever she used to get up and sleep late and come downstairs. And there's grandma baking bread, kneading dough, and doing all this bullshit with the doggy sitting at the fireplace. And everyone's all happy and wandering around. Just give me the goddamn bread recipe. All I want to do is, do I put the yeast in? Do I make it 110 degrees? What do I do? What the freak, man? I gotta tell you, I despise the freaking, like, holy crap, just get to the freaking point. So yeah, I'm flying on Betaflight 4 RC6. My settings will be at the very end. I always do, or at least whenever as a prep, I have gotten where I like to do a recording of my settings just so people can go and look. So if you want to skip all the way to the end, I'll have a little short recap on the changes, and I don't really have that many changes, but this is RC6 Betaflight configurator 10.5, so you can see everything. And I have other videos if you're new to how to install the beta version of configurator 10.5 and how to flash RC4, 5, 6, whichever one you want to do. Pretty simple. Yeah, so as far as how it flies, amazing. I mean, my goodness, it is 83 degrees outside right now. I'm trying to do some whips around, trying to get some more prop wash. I got a little bit, but not too much, and my motors came down 85-degree day, and they came down pretty daggone good. I gotta tell you, like, they were warm but not hot, and not at all in a dangerous condition. And I was getting 4.5 minutes flight time on these, and like this one, I was just burning it, trying my best. I don't normally do full throttle passes back and forth, just trying. I normally keep my throttle a lot lower than that, but I was just whipping around, having a good old time. Let me tell you what. And yeah, like I say, it's Betaflight 4 RC6. I can't wait for Betaflight 4 to just get the freak out here now. They haven't done too many updates other than little changes here and there, minor changes, but at least in the development builds. I just cannot wait for this thing to come out, because holy crap, it's just good. And this is on the Leader 120, obviously. If you know me, that's my go-to quad, which is an F3 board, so I don't even get to take advantage of all the perks, but what I get to take advantage of is sweet. And yeah, so we'll just have a quick run through at the very end of my settings. And yeah, so if you haven't tried Betaflight 4, man, I'm just going to tell you flat out, just do it, you know, because way back in the day, I used to wake up on Saturday morning and I'd hear my dad hammering outside, and I would walk outside and he'd be like, hey, grab a piece of plywood, start nailing it up, and we'd just start hammering away and build a new room to the house. And next thing I know, you know, I'm 4 years old learning how to wire in a light socket, and getting shocked a few times here and there, because that's what safety's all about. You know, it's just learning how not to cross the wires. And my dad would sit there and show me how to use a hammer and a welder and a chainsaw by the time I was 5, you know, because you just gotta know how to do these things. So once I learned how to do that, and we had that family bonding moment and everything was all good, then I thought, ooh, I like electronics. And so, you know, I just developed on that electronics thing. And then I thought, well, I like music, so I did that. And then I thought, well, I like cameras, and I did that. And then I thought, well, I like computers, and I did that. Not quite all in that order. Oh, we're out. Y'all take care. Watch for the video. Here comes the settings. All right, so Betaflight configurator 10.5. Plugging in now. Opening up. This is the just downloaded Jenkins version. Holy cow, that I put a new beeper on, and I must apologize. That thing is loud. So we're on Betaflight for RC6. These are my pids right now. This is the leader 120, and feed forward is at 60s. These are older pids. These are the ones I've found to be my favorites. My rates are over here, 1460. I like a twitchy crod. I do not have the ability to do demon. Because it is an F3 board, so my dynamic range or my derivative is static, not let's see, yeah, because you can't, yeah. So I was just checking there. You can't do D-min. It's one of the F4 only deals. So I-term rotations just turned on. VBAT comp. All of these, smart feed, I-term, relax, and integrate, y'all do not work with an F3 board. Now the important settings here. Coming over, 150 PT1 for your gyro low pass filter, and 200 biquad for your D-term low pass. That's all I have for filtering, and these settings are great for 3 inches and under that I have found. Your mileage may vary, obviously, but these this setting for a leader 120 with the stock 2.8 inch props, these are what I've found to be the absolute best. The other change I've made, we're just going to jump all the way down, other than OSD, which is fun. And yeah, so which is fun. Other than OSD is to come down to CLI, get dyne. You want your dynamic notch range to be high for anything under 4 inches, 4 inches and under. Medium for 5 inch, low for 6 inch plus. Other than that, those are my settings, and I absolutely love how this thing flies right now. I can't wait for Betaflight 4 to be released, and yeah. If you like this, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up. I still get a little bit of a buzz whenever people subscribe, so thank you so much. 12:30 was made today, and I am so happy. Couldn't be more grateful to everyone out there. Anyway, come back. Drop a note down below if you have any questions. I'll be glad to go over some things. I try to do live streams at least once a week, but I haven't had a set time yet because of my work schedule. And if you have any questions, though, I will answer anything that I possibly can. I do have a caveat to that, though, in that all questions are free, all answers are free, but right answers will cost. So, yeah, that's what my dad used to say. It's all good. Y'all have a good one. Take care, and we'll catch you later.